Welcome team to the Yes Maintenance YouTube channel. Here you'll find tips and tricks from our field professionals of some of the common and less common problems our communities face daily. From electrical 101 to basic ladder safety, our team of maintenance gurus has what you need with more detailed instruction. Also available is our YesNet resource page. It is up to date with the latest links for resources like the Yes Maintenance Manual and professional certification information. Our maintenance team members can take advantage of special offers through Shoes for Crews and Red Wing boots, as well as workbooks for those who have worked with Yes within a given time frame. Look forward to more content on this channel as we develop training videos to help our maintenance team members in their day-to-day. Have a suggestion on a video we should make? Simply leave a comment below this video. We are a team. We are Yes. We are Yes Strong.